Hello everybody, this is Granny. Today I'm going to take you for a walking tour through the 6th Ave Business District in Tacoma, Washington. This school building is Jason Lee. My husband went to school here, has been here since 1924. 6th Ave is one of the many districts in Tacoma, Washington, and it caters to a younger crowd, so a lot of the shops here are geared with that in mind. And they have a pretty active nightlife here too. As you'll be able to tell, most of the buildings are pretty old and some of them historic. But I think I'll let my pictures do the talking and just hope you can get a flavor for the place. I hope you enjoyed the tour, and maybe sometime when you're in Tacoma, you can visit the 6th Avenue Business District. Goodbye.